Alright, you guys, happy Tuesday evening. I want to show you guys something super cool. Don't mind the little, it's reborn dolls. They're making funny voices, but let me show you guys. Out here. The dogs are going crazy. Hold on. That's crazy. Why can't you see it now? Okay, you can kind of see it. It's looking so good right now. But I'll add some clips in here. Then. Because why can my phone see it? Huh?
I like to see the lightning when it goes.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. I want to show the lightning. Honey bunny. That's crazy. How it's just lightning out.
Like, see, get on the comes off. Like, really bright.
See, guys, I've never seen a lightning storm that didn't have thunder. So, this is my first.
It's like fire.
That's crazy, huh? That's weird. So, this is our Friday. Look at the thunders. Or there's lightning. This is lightning storm.
Okay, I need my flash on.
I don't have my flash on, honey.
Well, your phone's different.
Okay, whatever. I'm going inside. That's crazy. This is a lightning show, guys.